How to unarchive a conversation in the Ablo app. So this workaround only works if you have the person added as a friend, which is what I did. And right now the conversation is not archived, so I'm gonna archive the conversation now using archive conversation option. And now I cannot see the chat anymore under messages. So to recover it, what I need to do is search for the person's name, and I will be able to see it. And when I select it, what actually happens is, because the conversation was archived, it doesn't show up anymore. So if you try to send any random message, let's say test, and go back and then reopen the conversation, it will load up your archived conversation back. So you will be able to access it. Now this only works if you have the person added as a friend. It will not work if the other person did not add you. So make a note of that. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys find it useful.